I'm going to show you how you can generate images on ChatGPT. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So all you need to do is go to ChatGPT, and this will be completely free. So once you are here, you will see a button to create images right here, or you can also click this icon to display more tools, where you can see you can generate images using DALL-E. So you can click here, for example, or you can also click there, and then you just need to enter a prompt for your image. If you don't know what prompt you want to use, you can even ask ChatGPT for prompts. So for example, give me 5 prompts for a cute dog image, and this will generate you 5 detailed prompts you can use to generate images. So let's say I want this one, for example. I'm gonna pause it, and now I'm gonna use DALL-E to generate an image. So I will wait a few seconds until the image generates, and I will get back to you. So as you can see here, ChatGPT has just generated this image, and we can download it. We can see how good it looks like, and we can even edit something you don't like. So you can click there and select an area of the image you want to change. And if you don't like it, you can just keep asking for more variations, so you will get different types of images. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.